Hey, it's Andreas, and in this video, I'll be showing one of the easiest ways to make money with affiliate marketing, having no money to start with. So, this is one of the easiest methods, and you don't need to have your own traffic or a big following like a lot of people think to start with affiliate marketing. That is completely not true. I will be showing you some examples of the methods that I'm going to be start using and that some of my students are already using, and a lot of them are already making a good $50 to $100 per day using these methods. So if you get any value from this video, then hit the subscribe button and let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm just going to show you one way of affiliate marketing that doesn't require any money to start with. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is basically just showing people what they're already looking for. So just to give you an example, if I want to buy a drone, I'm very likely to go on Google and just do some research before I buy something. So I might type in something like top 10 drones, and then it shows up a bunch of websites with reviews, right? So the site is listing the 10 best drones to buy in 2018. They have some reviews and shows the benefits and whatnot about the different drones. So when you click on this button here, I can guarantee you 100% that this is an affiliate link. So if I click on this and then I buy the drone here, I guarantee you that they will make a commission. I think Amazon has like 5 to 8% commissions or something like that. So they're probably making like at least $60 if I buy the drone from their link. And this is not limited to just a drone. If I go and buy anything else on Amazon at the same time, if I browse around, maybe I decide to buy a couch or something instead and spend a couple of thousand of dollars, they still get paid a commission and they make even more money. So the way I'm going to show you doesn't require you to have any website to rank on Google or anything like that. So what I'm talking about is Facebook groups, and you can really create a Facebook group in any niche. It can be sports, it can be tech, gaming, anything. But in this example, I'm going to do the entrepreneurship niche. I know a lot of you guys are interested in that. So here is a group called Entrepreneur Lifestyle Group. It has 55,000 members, and it says this is a page to inspire other entrepreneurs. So they post quotes and other inspirational stories about success and business. So you can create your own small Facebook group in any niche that you want, and then you can start inviting friends that you think might be interested in that page, in that niche. And what you want to do then is join similar groups in the same niche that are much bigger than yours. Maybe something like this group if you're in the entrepreneur niche. And then you want to start being active in those groups and start engaging with people, start posting, replying to comments, and just engaging with people. And then every once in a while, you want to say something like, hey, I also have a group in this niche, and I think that you all would benefit from it and get some great value if you join it. And that way you kind of soft promoting your group in a bigger group in the same niche. So if you do it that way, you can start growing pretty fast, and then you can start monetizing that group by promoting stuff in it without being too spammy. And the way I'm going to show you how you can do this is something that anyone can do, and I'm going to use Amazon's affiliate program, and anyone can do this. You can sign up. I did it earlier today, and it literally takes 2 minutes to sign up, and then you're ready to start promoting some offers. So in this example, I'm going to use Audible, and they pay $5 for each person who signs up for a free 30-day trial without spending any money at all. So what we can do here is we click on get link, and we get the affiliate link right here, and we can copy that, and make a post in our group and we can do something like the top 3 entrepreneurship books of the week or something like that. And here is a link to get a free 30-day trial so they can listen to the books for free. And do you think that they will sign up using my link? Of course they will. They are in my group and I'm giving them something for free. And if they then decide to become a paid member of Audible, then I get another $10. So in total we can make $15 per person. Now, if you have a group with 50,000 members and only 1% of them sign up, let's do some quick math here. So let's pull up the calculator. 50,000 and 1% is 500, and we get paid $5 per sign up. Now that is $2,500 just for posting one link once. So of course you are not going to start out with a giant group like this, but you can still imagine if you're getting 100 members per day, and maybe even if just 5 of them sign up, then you get $25 and you make $1,000 per month. And that is just if you're posting once. So you can really see the power in this. Now you can do other offers. This is just an example of how easy affiliate marketing is. I mean, there is so much you can do. There are so many products on Amazon. You can try the Amazon Prime 30-day trial. Like 1/4 of the world has Amazon Prime, so that will be pretty easy to promote. But I like Audible for this niche because I get people asking me a lot what about what I read all the time, and maybe I have an email list that I can start sending out my favorite book to every week. And you see, like, the possibilities are endless with this. So you can really do anything. There are so many offers. You can search up products. I mean, there are tons. But just make it relevant to your niche and don't spam people in your group too much. You start off slowly, building a Facebook group and posting stuff that's valuable. If I'm giving you a free trial for something and books that you can go and read that will benefit you, you don't think that I'm making money off that. You're just thinking that I'm helping you, and that's kind of what you want your whole page to be about. And again, you can choose any niche you want. There are so many different ones that you can do. You can do any sports, tech niche. You can even do a specific sports team, and then you can recommend gears for that sport or team. Just make sure you get an affiliate link from the website that are selling the gears. It doesn't have to be through Amazon, but it's pretty easy, and everyone gets approved for Amazon. So it's really super simple and it's very easy. Facebook groups is just one of the ways you can do this. If you guys are interested in more stuff like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And this is just a small little piece of affiliate marketing. And yes, you can do it from anywhere. And no, you don't have to be over 18 years old. And no, you don't need to have a phone to start doing affiliate marketing. I hope I gave you some value, and that if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.